From broken to redeemed. Hello, I'm Robin. The cross looked like defeat, like the end. But what appeared broken became the doorway to redemption. God has a way of transforming what hurts into something holy, what feels damaged into something restored. If part of your life feels broken, don't rush to hide it. God often works through the very places we try to avoid. Redemption is not about erasing the past. It's about giving it new meaning. Ready to lead with purpose and peace. Join me at TLR Coaching. Faith. Leadership. Real life. Follow for faith-based leadership insights.